What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to go over the subscribers tab and why it's so useful in your when you're either running a chatbot business or just having a chatbot in general. So I'm just going to do a quick overview of it, go straight to the point. As you see, I got 60 subscribers, so my list is constantly growing. Blah blah blah. So as you can see here, I'm gonna just go to. Doesn't honestly matter. Uh, right here is it's the subscribers tab. It's pretty simple. So the subscribers tab is basically where you see all your subscribers' information. For example, I know I got him on a 14-day trial. I tagged him. That was a campaign subscribed to. Sorry about that. Move this over here. That was a campaign he subscribed to get on my list. So he subscribed to the 14-day trial. So I know he's interested in my software. Also, up here, as you see from the custom data, you can get email, phone number, and location. The only reason I haven't got these things is because he went through this campaign that I set up, and we're going to talk about more. We're going to talk more about campaigns soon. But as you can see, I sent 7 total messages in this campaign. He read 3 messages and he clicked 4 times. I didn't tag him with anything. Tags are good ways to separate, what people are really interested in. For example, in my chatbot, you can get cold email templates. You get cold email templates inside my chatbot, so I usually tag them as cold email templates. So I know to put them on my list, in my email marketing list for cold email, and use that tag because I know they're interested in cold emailing. They're interested in learning more about it, or they're just interested in, maybe they need my software to automate the cold email response, or I mean, not response, but automate the cold emailing and fill out contact us forms. So user tags are very simple, but this is literally, it's pretty simple. Any person who opts into your chatbot is going to be placed in here. If they unsubscribe, it will go the little button right here, the little icon right here will be, faded out. The only way to get them removed, I believe, so far inside Chatmatic is just the contact support, but they don't count these towards your subscribers, so that's good as well. If they're actually subscribed if they're actually subscribed in their bot, they're counted as somebody that's in, you know, that's a subscriber. As long as they're a subscriber, they're counted. If they're not a subscriber, if they unsubscribe or whatever, they're not counted. So I just wanted to make that clear. I just want to make a short video on how the subscribers tab works. It's pretty simple, straight to the point. If I want to message this person, I can reply to them through here. It's pretty simple. I'm actually not going to do that because I don't want to send anything. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'll see you guys in the next video.